Want to fix Mortal Kombat 1, verifying account restrictions? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back to the arena. Let's dive in. First things first, this message often appears when the game is checking your account's online status, usually due to network issues, server status, or a temporary profile glitch. Now, the easiest fix is to restart Mortal Kombat 1 and your gaming device, PC console. Close the game completely, power cycle your console, or restart your PC. This often clears temporary glitches. Also, restart your router and modem by unplugging them for 60 seconds. Next, check the official Mortal Kombat 1 server status or WB Games/NetherRealm Studios social media for any announcements about outages or maintenance. If servers are down, you'll simply have to wait. You'll also want to check your internet connection for stability. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent proper verification. If on Wi-Fi, try a wired Ethernet connection. Ensure your platform's online services, PlayStation Network, Xbox Live, Steam, Epic Games, are fully operational. Finally, try logging out of your platform account PSN, Xbox, Steam, and then logging back in. This can refresh your online profile. If you have any active age restrictions or parental controls on your console, PC, ensure they are not blocking online play. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Mortal Kombat 1 tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.